Hi beauties! Welcome back to Hikoco's channel!
Hey! Hi Coco!
So we have a lot of teen viewers on our Hikoco channel, so we thought we'd gather here to talk about teens' do and don'ts.
For general teenage skin, there tend to be fast in regeneration, prone to hormonal changes, easy to get damaged, which means it can be really sensitive. So there are so many do and don'ts for the teenage skin.
So shall we get started?
Teenagers do number 1, learn about your skin first. It's really dangerous if you copy someone's skincare routines. Test out your skin type. It's really simple and easy. Firstly, just wash up your skin with low pH cleanser and leave it about 10 to 15 minutes. How does your skin feel? If your skin feels itchy, tightening, starting to get flaky patches, this means your skin is dry. And if your skin is shiny and greasy, this means your skin is oily. If your T-zone and forehead is greasy and rest of them are dry, this means it's a combination skin. And if you don't feel anything, it's really balanced, this means you've got a normal skin type.
Teenager skincare don'ts number 1. Do not experiment with 3,000 products, meaning be careful of what you use. Effective multifunctional products may look nice, but using way too much products may clog your pores or even break your skin out. So just for now, hydration is what you want. Do not use extra products such as anti-aging because you really don't need it at this stage of life. You're a teenager.
Teenagers do number 2, pay attention to the low pH product. There are 2 types of cleanser which are alkaline and low pH. Foamy and fresh does not mean clean and good. Foamy cleanser can often dry your skin, which means it strips your skin barrier and irritates teenagers' skin. Our best-selling low pH cleansers are COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser, Some by Me Snail Truecica Gel Cleanser, and Heimish's All Green Corn Low pH Cleanser. Unlike foamy cleanser, low pH cleansers do not dry your skin out and balances your pH level for your skin barrier. Plus, always remember to remove your makeup before you go to bed.
Teenager skincare don'ts number 2. Do not prick on acne. So you all know fingers are the worst tools to use on acne. Using your fingers to pop pimples will definitely worsen and spread out the pimples. If you deem to know that you need to pop this pimple out, please use a cotton bud. If you are using acne spot treatments that contain benzoyl peroxide, make sure you use it only on the spot that you need. If you use it all over the face, it will destruct and destroy your skin barrier, making you more prone to bacteria. Don't forget to hydrate your skin after you use these spot treatments. So types of acne spot treatments include pimple patches, COSRX, Clear Fit Master Patch, and the Acne Pimple Master Patch, and COSRX AC Collection Patch.
Teenagers do number 3, hydration is important. Keep your skin moisturized all the time. Just plain moisturizer with no scent is the best. Hydration is the base for all skincare routines. Without hydration, there is no point. Remember to hydrate your skin all the time.
Teenager skincare don'ts number 3. Do not overly exfoliate. 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough. Too much exfoliating can irritate the sensitive teen skin. When you're exfoliating, be as gentle as you can. No excessive scrubs are needed. Some gentle exfoliators that you can use are the COSRX One Step Original Clear Pad and the COSRX One Step Moisture Up Pad.
Teenagers do number 4, sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. If the hydration is the base, sunscreen is the finale for all skincare. So don't forget to use the sunscreen in the morning. If you don't wear sunscreens, the UV rays touches your acne scars and the scars will stay forever. So sunscreen is very important, so please apply it every day. Best sunscreen for the teenagers, Missha Essence Sun, normal skin and dry skin, and Missha Aqua Sun for oily skin. Of course, eat well, drink well, and sleep well.
Teenager skincare don'ts number 4. Do not go too far with makeup. Again, too many products can clog your pores, especially for teen skin, as you may react to these products because of your sensitive skin. Do not share makeup with your friends. Now I know that it's hard not to share makeup with your friends, as this friend might have a different tint color and this friend might have a different cushion that they bought, but makeup products that touched everywhere cannot be good. It's like not flushing the toilet and your other friends using it together. It's like sharing foods with bare hands. The other thing is covering troubles with foundations or concealers may worsen your skin, as you're not letting it breathe and not letting it heal naturally. You're beautiful with or without makeup. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope our information has helped some of our teen beauties to find their right skincare.
If you have any further questions, please leave the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time,
Bye beauties! Let's be pretty! Teenager skincare dumps number number 1. 그걸 로봇인데